Are you looking with increasing stress levels and a growing focus on wellness? Massage chairs have become a sought-after addition for homes and offices. These mechanical marvels appeal to everyone from busy professionals to gamers, offering deep relaxation and relief. Our guide evaluates key features such as massage modes, build quality, ergonomic design, and overall value, helping you find the best massage. List number: Relax 2025 Massage Chair Full Body, 15 modes, Zero Gravity SL Track Shiatsu Massage Chair, Built-in Heat System. The Relax 2025 Massage Chair offers an impressive 15 massage modes to deliver a customizable full-body experience. Its zero-gravity position reduces pressure on your spine, while the SL Track design ensures the rollers follow your body's natural curve from neck to thighs. Built-in heat therapy enhances muscle relaxation, making it ideal for users dealing with tension and soreness. With a sturdy build and user-friendly remote, this chair provides great value for its price point, blending comfort and technology seamlessly. List number: 2025 Massage Chair Full Body Zero Gravity SL Track Shiatsu Massage Recliner Chair with Heat. This 2025 massage chair features a full-body Shiatsu massage with an SL track that contours your spine for consistent relief. The zero-gravity recline distributes your weight evenly, reducing stress on joints. Heating functions complement the massage modes, targeting deep tissue areas for enhanced muscle relaxation. Its sleek design fits modern interiors, and easy-to-navigate controls make it accessible to users of all ages. Overall, it balances effective massage technology with affordability, perfect for those wanting premium features without overspending. List number: Real Relax 2025 Massage Chair Full Body Zero Gravity 3D SL Track Shiatsu Massage Recliner Chair. The Real Relax 2025 stands out with its advanced 3D massage rollers that adjust intensity and reach for a deeper Shiatsu massage. Its zero-gravity feature lifts your legs to heart level, enhancing circulation and easing back pressure. The SL Track supports your body's natural alignment, covering neck to thighs. This chair combines heat therapy and multiple auto modes, providing versatile relaxation options. Durable and stylish, it's designed for those who want a professional-grade massage experience at a competitive price. List number: Kalanta Massage Chair Full Body Zero Gravity SL Track Shiatsu Massage Recliner Chair with Body Scan. Kalanta's massage chair incorporates a smart body scan feature that customizes massage points based on your unique body shape. The SL Track and zero-gravity positioning maximize comfort by aligning your spine and reducing pressure. This chair offers various Shiatsu modes targeting key tension areas, paired with soothing heat therapy. Its intuitive control panel and ergonomic design enhance usability and comfort. With its tech-forward features, the Kalanta chair is an excellent choice for users looking for. List number: 2025 Massage Chair Full Body Zero Gravity Massage Chair with 10 fixed rollers, heating, foot massage, auto modes. This 2025 massage chair features 10 fixed rollers that focus on key muscle groups, delivering consistent Shiatsu massage from neck to lower back. The zero-gravity recline combined with built-in heating creates a relaxing environment for muscle recovery. It includes foot massage capabilities and several auto modes tailored for relaxation, stretching, or recovery. Compact and well-constructed, this chair offers strong performance and easy operation, making it a solid contender for anyone seeking quality massage therapy under $2,000.